Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video we will learn about the another important concept, that is nothing but about the tr command. Okay, so what is this tr command? So we are learning about the pipings and all those things, right? So in this piping only I want to explain you about another important command which I have forgotten, that is about the tr command. Tr command, the full form for this one is the full form is translate. So the short notation is the tr. It is a powerful command line utility used for character level text manipulation. So that means if you want to manipulate any or translate any character or anything, means then we will be using this tr command. So its core functions are, first one is the character translation. So that means it will replace the characters in a stream of text with other characters, and also character deletion. So if you want to delete any character from that one, means remove specific characters from a text stream, means then it will try to remove it. So I will try to show you some typical examples. So here the tr typically works with the standard input and the standard output. So that means you can use the pipes and the redirection like less than or greater than to work with the files. So now first one is, so I told you right about the replacement thing. For example, let's say that I am having echo, and here let's say that hello world. So echo means what it will try to do, it will try to show you, it will try to display the text whatever it is having. Now what I want to do what I want to tell is, so here I want to convert this hello world to the capital letters. So that means the entire hello world should be converted into a capital letter. So what can you do here? So for this one I can do echo hello world. Okay, so this is the thing, and I can use the pipe symbol and translate A to Z, or otherwise, for example, let's say that we are having the L, right? So the L word should be replaced with K. So that is the thing. So if I try to press enter, so here, oh sorry, the echo is wrong, right? So echo, so here you'll be able to see that all the L character has been transformed to the K. So that means here the first one is the what is the character I want to change it, and to which character I want to change it. So like this we will be using this command. So not only the single character, we can also provide the stream of characters also. For example, let's say that I want to convert, I have all the hello world, all the characters to a capital letter. So that means what I can do here, I can provide A to Z to A to Z like this. Okay, so now if I try to press enter, so now here everything, the character has been converted into a uppercase letter. So that is one thing. Not only like this, we can also replace the spaces using a with some delimiter also we can use it. For example, I want to convert these spaces into an underscore, means then what can you do it is, for example, let's say that echo this is a sentence. So this is the thing we are having. Now I want to replace the spaces with underscore. So that means I can use the tr, and here the space should be converted to a underscore. That's it. So now here you will be able to see that this underscore is underscore a underscore sentence. So like this we can use the translate command to convert or to change the data. So now not only this one, so not only with this one, so we can also delete the specific characters also. So if you want to delete the specific character, means we can also delete it. For example, let's say that echo hello 1 2 3 world is there, okay, and I want to delete the digits. So I want to delete the digits, means 1 2 3. So what can I do here? I can use a pipe symbol tr, and here hyphen d. So I want to delete 0 to 9. So this is the range of characters. Now you can what it is happening. So tr hyphen d 0 to 10. Oh sorry, that's my mistake. So here I need to use a double quotes. I forgot to keep the double quotes. Yeah, now we are able to see that the 1 2 3 has been deleted. So like this we can also delete a specific characters also. So that means here you need to understand that you can replace or you can transform or translate the characters, or otherwise you can delete the characters also. So not only this one, you can also squeeze the repeated characters. For example, let's say that I am having echo many, I am having like this spaces. So I am having more than one spaces. So for this one I don't want to delete the spaces, I want to squeeze the spaces, means then what can I do it is, so here tr hyphen s, so squeeze it, and the space I want to do it. So here you will be able to see that only one space is there. So if you are having multiple spaces, means it will be squeezed into single one. So like this you will be able to see. And not only this one, we can also use the character classes for this one to rename this tr thing. So for example, let's say that character classes means echo, and here I am having HELLO, okay, WORLD, like this we are having, and I want to convert all this lowercase and all those things to uppercase, means then what can I do it is, so here what we can do it is, so now we can use characters classes, so something like tr, okay, all the lower, like this we can use, these are called as a character class, and it should be converted to upper, and here I need to use something like this one, oh sorry, not that one, so this is the mistake I am using. Now if you try to see entire things will be converted into an uppercase letter. So like this we can also use the character, what I want to tell is the character, the characters things also we can do it. So not only like this, so you will be having character classes lower, upper, digit, space, so like these different types we will be able to have. And up to now what I have shown you is I have shown you with what I want to say is echo thing, right? Not only like this, we can also apply this one to the file also. For example, let's say that we are applying this tr command. Let's clear it out, and here which we are having, let's say sample.txt, cat sample.txt, what is the content we are having? So like this we are having it, right? So first what I want to do it is, so here I want to convert A to Z, okay, to A to Z. So now I have converted to this one. So now here I can save it in file underscore uppercase.txt. So I can save it in one file. So automatically the content will be saved. So for example, if you try to see sample.txt doesn't change any data, and if you try to see this file underscore uppercase, so file underscore uppercase, if you try to see, so the converted data or the translated data will be saved in this file. So this is how you can also use it like this. So not only with the echo thing, we can also use it with the cat also, we can implement this tr command. So this is how we can do it. I will try, before closing this one, I will show you one simple example. So that is nothing but, for example, let's say that we are having some data.txt file, okay, and in this one I am having some phone numbers. Let's assume that Leela 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this, and we are having another guy something like David, okay, and here I will try to show it something like this, and I will have Martin, and he has some phone numbers like this. So now I will save it and I will exit it, and if you try to see this data.txt, and here we are able to see this data. Now what I want to do is, I want to extract only the phone number from this one, and I want to save it in the file. So how can I do it this one? For example, let's say that cat data.txt, and here what I want to do it is, so tr, and I want to remove this, what I want to do it is, I want to remove -d, and what I want to do A to Z. So I will remove these all the files. Now if you try to see here, only these all the things has been removed. Instead of this one, we can use our character classes, that is nothing but alpha. Alpha means whether it is a lowercase or uppercase, everything will be removed. And now we are having only the colon, so we can remove this colon, and again I can pass the pipe symbol, so that output will be passed as an input to that one, and again I can use another one, and here I will try to remove this colon. So now if you try to see, colon has been removed, and if you want to remove that space also, so again you can use one tr -d, and here you can use the character class, that is nothing but space or blank, anything. So like this you can use it. Now if I try to press enter, so this is the thing, and here I can save it in the phones.txt. So like this we can extract or translate or transform the data, and we can save it. Now if you try to see the cat data.txt, the file will be like this only. So the data doesn't change in this file, but if you try to see cat phones.txt, now the phone numbers has been extracted. So in this way, by using this translate or the tr command, so we can do the like these things. So hope you understood about this one with the simple examples I have shown you. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.